Make fun miniature, edible, villages. Nonstick coating is easy to cook with an easy to clean. Heavy cast aluminum construction. Fun wintery design. Made in the USA. Create your own snowy village scene with these diminutive cottages. Our original cast aluminum bakeware provides fine details and superior baking performance. Distinctive premium nonstick interiors allow for quick release and easy cleanup. Heat-reflective silver platinum exteriors ensure uniform browning. 6-cup capacity. Top reviews from the United States. Surprisingly easy, even without proper baking spray. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to get my cakes out since I didn't have baker's spray on hand, but I was surprised by how well these turned out so easily. If you don't have baker's spray, use a regular cooking spray oil and then sift plain granulated sugar over the oiled molds. Came out beautifully caramelized and detailed, as you can see from my photos. Looking forward to making something more festive next time. I had just made a summer squash bread to try it out, but gingerbread or something dense and chocolatey, with a sprinkle of powdered sugar decoration, will probably look gorgeous without much of effort.